Okay guys, so today me and my mom are going to the Wildwood Beach, and I was gonna wear this top, but my mom came to the conclusion that if I wear this top, I'll get horrible tan lines, and sis is not trying to have that, so I'm about to change. Okay, so I decided to go with my crop top. What is this?
Sports bra.
Oops, sports bra. Mom, you know I got my mom here for correction, y'all. Yeah, so I wore my sports bra so I can get a really nice tan, and I'm about to put a cute little cover up over it. Let's go. So we are on our way to the beach, y'all. Started. Talking all loud and I'm fake shoes, make it fake go. I'm the realest, never see fake. Act up, if the kids smashed up. Act up, if the kids smashed up. Y'all know it's Friday. I'll stop. We'll grab some gas. Oh yeah. Got the Wawa out here. How cool is this? I bet you it's been like this for like ages. The Wawa. Literally, we're only here. Okay, guys, we are here, and when we get closer, you'll be able to see the big old Wildwood sign that everybody takes pictures near. You see it? Can y'all see it? I can. Lit. You ready, Mom?
Yes. This is where you stood as the starlight.
I did?
Wasn't it that?
I don't remember.
When you came with
Michael? I have no idea if it was Starlux or what. There it is, y'all. Wow. How freaking awesome. I act like I don't see this all the time. So this is the convention center, and we are here parked. Getting out. I don't even think we're allowed to be here, but we're here. We're about to get it. Mom, grab some waters, girl, because we're going to need to quench our thirst. So, yeah! So there's the convention center, you guys. And there's a bunch of cute little motels and there's a lot of cute motels and restaurants and stuff like that around here.
Convention center's right there.
Yep. The box office at the convention center. Okay, Boardwalk Yoga. Y'all gotta check out Boardwalk Yoga by Triv on the Wildwood Boardwalk. I'm gonna put it in for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, check them out. Can you guys see the ocean from here?
If you get closer, you'll see it on the wall.
Where my mom said we gotta get a little closer to get a better view. It's super early, so there's not too many people on the boardwalk. It's like 10:30 a.m. And yeah, my mom likes to go early, so we decided to come early so we don't run into like a bunch of people, which I prefer too. And we're about to be walking the entire boardwalk, you guys. Like, what?
I think it's a little over 2 miles.
A little over 2 miles, she says. So let's see if I can do this. Icon, Bobby Rydell. Cool.
This is the amusement.
This is the amusement park, guys.
Getting ready for tonight.
Grab a wiener. And they also have a water park at the beach. We're gonna check that out.
You look like a little person on there.
I am a little person, Sherlock Holmes. Okay, guys, we're up here. Yeah!
Here, let me hold this so I can hold it like. Stick your head in.
My head don't fit through this shit. I got a big old toe.
Whoa, the one on the top is big boobs. You can't reach the top one.
They got steps back here, y'all. Kudos to them. What about this?
Up the stairs, just go up.
What is it?
The Wildwood by the Sea sign greeted visitors coming into Wildwood in the 1930s and is the most famously known for its group photos.
Awesome. You got that on camera? Okay. All right, let's get out of here, Mom.
I don't want to see you spend pancakes. Buy one, get one free platters right here. Bacon, ham, or sausage with the pancakes.
No breakfast, I want pizza.
Get the second one
Where's the
for
pizza
free.
deals?
That's right. Come
Yeah,
on
my mom
over,
wants to
take a
get
look
pizza.
and see what we have here.
But
today.
honestly, who doesn't get pizza when you're on the board ride? Like, come on. Pizza and ice cream is a thing.
Well, it's early, that's why it's breakfast. You can get on that one.
Barely.
See if you size up to it.
No, this one I can't. I have to be 38 inches tall. 54. Not happening. Why is that shirt right there flexed and the sleeves fell off? My dad. Yo. Y'all know Max Pizza. Come on now. Come on. A dog park, y'all. Interesting. Ripley's, I think it's the sun and stuff.
Ripley's Adventure Maze.
Ripley's Adventure Maze. Mom, please believe it or not, you guys. Super cool.
You want to get curly fries?
I don't know. So you guys, we have ice cream and we have curly fries. We don't know. How are you? Small milk chocolate chip ice cream.
In a cup, on a go?
In a cone's fine.
Small and chocolate in a go.
Yes, please. Mint chocolate. Can I also have some sprinkles on it? Sure.
There you are.
Thank you.
Do you need a gum?
Sure, yeah, just in case. So I'm like, what is that bomb smell? We got the Spanish food on the boardwalk. What y'all knew about this though? It's smell the pastelillos, empanadillas, quesadillas, bistec, arroz con gandules. Says it right there. Let's go. Okay, so I'm cracking up. It says Backwoods and Mike's Bitch, and y'all know my man's name is Mike. Yo! I'm trying to record myself. Okay, so can any of y'all tell me, like, what the hell that is? Weird! Just an FYI. Yeah, I know. We're on this part of the beach right now. So we're waiting to get to the soft sand. We're here, you guys. My mom decided. Let's see how cold this water is, though. Oh, this water is freezing! Ooh. Oh, 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 oh. Pizza, pizza, pizza! I'm gonna record myself. Not too bad. I need some of this. Okay, so how badass is this picture of Audrey Hepburn giving Marilyn Monroe a tat? So cool. So I'm so sweaty, but we are on our way home, guys. It was a great